Good morning, students. It's Professor Devasi Sota. Today, my topic is again on electrical and electronics measurement. As we know, there are two types of instrument transformers, popularly known as CT and PT. They are current transformers and potential transformers. Transformers used in conjunction with instruments known as instrument transformers. In simple meaning, when current exceeds safe current, current transformers is used. When voltage exceeds safe voltage, potential transformer is used. But there are errors in CT and PT also. Errors in instrument transformers occur due to power loss in PC and CC. PC means pressure coil and CC means current coil. Power loss in pressure of coil capacitance. Errors occur due to eddy currents, friction, heating and inductance of pressure coil. And again, errors occur due to mutual inductance effect, stray field and vibration of moving system. Potentiometer. It's an instrument used to find out unknown EMF or potential difference. It's used for calibration of ammeter, voltmeter, wattmeter, etc. If a galvanometer will be connected in series with one known EMF and one unknown EMF, by seeing the deflection through galvanometer, value of unknown EMF can be found out. There are two types of potentiometers, DC potentiometer and AC potentiometer. Practical applications of DC potentiometers are measurement of small EMF and high EMF, comparison of EMF of two cells, measurement of resistance, current, power, calibration of ammeter, voltmeter and wattmeter. Similarly, practical applications of AC potentiometers are similar to DC potentiometers, but in this case, two EMF are equal in magnitude and phase. AC potentiometers are two types, polar potentiometer, coordinate potentiometer. These have general applications like measurement of self-inductance, calibration of ammeter, calibration of voltmeter and calibration of wattmeter. Then single phase energy meter. It has four main parts with operating mechanism. They are driving system, moving system, braking system and registering system. This is the block diagram of single phase energy meter. And this is the real picture of digital energy meter, very popular in domestic use. Then Megger. The Megger is an instrument used for the measurement of high resistance and insulation resistance. There are two pairs of permanent magnet, one set for ohm meter side and the other for the generator. The moving coil consists of three coils. They are control coil, deflecting coil, compensating coil. The unknown resistance is connected between the terminals like L and E, means line and earth. When the pointer indicates 0, hence the resistance is very low resistance value. For today this much. Thank you for watching. Watch my next video.